Good evening everyone, or magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And first, I wanna say sorry because I haven't done any videos for the last I think 5 days or so. And second, I wanna greet everyone a happy Thanksgiving Day. So let's make this a quick video for tonight. Let's continue counting 21 to 30. And before we start with the video, I just want to say if you haven't seen 1 to 10 and 11 to 20, the link is below, and you can check on that so you can see the videos on how to count 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. So now let's count 21 to 30. Okay, so let's start. Let's say that this little finger here is 21. 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. And 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. And 28, 28. 29, 29. And 30, 30. 30. So, let's do it again one more time. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and last one, 30. So that's all for tonight. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Make sure to click on CC, here, and you can check the spellings down below. Bye-bye!